is well. Hope everything's good. This is my dog Leela. So I want to finish my DBT series today. This one's going to be distress tolerance. I feel like distress tolerance is my favourite module of DBT. There's a lot of like healthy coping mechanisms and ideas in this one. One of them is stroking a dog or a cat. This bitch helps me through rough times. And you're feeling like you're in a crisis, when you're feeling very intense, strong emotions. It's basically techniques and things to help you through those times. So, distress tolerance. Why bother tolerating painful feelings and urges? Pain is a part of life and can't always be avoided. If you can't deal with your pain, you may act impulsively, and when acting impulsively, you may end up hurting yourself, hurting someone else, or not getting what you want. People with mental illness are far more likely to hurt themselves than other people. There's a lot of acronyms with DBT therapy. So one is Wise Mind Accepts, self-soothing with the six senses, so vision, hearing, smell, taste, touch, movement, improving the moment, and pros and cons and tips. So they're the kind of crisis survival skills that we're going to go over. So the first acronym is accepts. A is do something. Call, email, text or visit a friend, watch a favourite movie or a TV show, play an instrument or sing, play video games, draw, cook or bake, write in a journal, clean your room, go for a walk or exercise, read a book, listen to your iPod, go online or download music, apps, play a game with yourself or others. Contributing. Contribute and do something nice for someone. Help a friend or sibling with homework. Make something nice for someone else. Donate things you don't need. Surprise someone with a hug, a note or a favour, and volunteer. Comparisons. Compare yourself to the less fortunate. Compare how you are feeling now to a time where you were doing worse. Think about others who are coping the same or less well than you. Emotions. Create different emotions. Watch a funny TV show or an emotional movie. Listen to soothing or upbeat music. Pushing away. Push away the painful situation out of your mind temporarily. Leave the situation mentally by moving your attention and thoughts away. Build an imaginary wall between you and the situation. Put the pain in a box on a shelf for a while. Thoughts. Replace your thoughts. Read, count numbers, colour in a poster, repeat the words to a song in your mind. Sensations. Intensify other sensations. Hold or chew ice. Listen to loud music. Take a warm or cold shower. Squeeze a stress ball. Do sit-ups and push-ups. Or pet your dog or cat. Write the acronym, so accepts, and then write down the distraction techniques that you think you would enjoy doing. So activities like cleaning room, contributing, tidying the kitchen, making a cup of tea for someone you love, comparing your suffering to those who are less privileged, emotions, listen to happy music, pushing away, sleep it off, distractions, thoughts, reading, writing, painting, sensations, hot shower, loud music, pet your dog. Crisis survival, self-soothe with the six senses. Vision, smell, touch, hearing, taste, movement. Vision, go to your favourite place and take in all the sights. Look at a photo album, zone out to a poster/picture, notice colours on a sunset and people watch. Hearing, listen to your favourite music and play it over and over again. Pay attention to the sounds in nature, birds, rain, thunder, traffic. Play an instrument or sing, listen to a sound machine. Smell, put on your favourite lotion, use a scented aftershave or body wash, make cookies or popcorn, smell freshly brewed coffee, go to the park and smell the roses. Taste, eat some of your favourite foods, drink your favourite non-alcoholic beverage, have your favourite flavour ice cream, eat one thing mindfully. Touch, take a long bath or shower, pet your dog or cat, get a massage, brush your hair, hug or be hugged, put a cold cloth on your head, change into your most comfortable clothes. Movement, rock yourself gently, stretch, go for a run, do yoga or dance. So again, write down all your favourite self-soothing techniques using all the senses. So vision, hearing, smell, taste, touch, movement. So for me, like hearing is music, taste, flavoured tea. Here they've written, briefly describe the stressful situation you were in and the specific skills you used. So even if you don't remember the trigger, you can write, I listened to music, had a snack, even like did something like fake tanned, put on nail polish, straighten your hair, even things that seem superficial can really be helpful ways of kind of distracting yourself from painful emotions. They want you to describe how it helps. So by focusing on physical sensations of self-soothing things, it can help distract you. A crisis survival skill is to improve the moment. So you can improve the moment with imaginary things. So imagining your relaxing scenes, so you're in a safe place. So imagine things going well, imagine you're coping well, imagine painful emotions draining out of your body like water out of a pipe, or imagine you're on a beach or something like that. Meaning, create or find some purpose, meaning or value in the pain. Make lemonade out of lemons. Prayer. Open your heart to a supreme being, your own wise mind. You don't have to be religious to use prayer and stuff as a way to improve the moment. Relaxation. Try to relax your muscles by tensing and relaxing each large muscle group. Start with the forehead working down, download relaxation audio or video, stretch, take a bath or get a massage. One thing in the moment. Focus your entire attention on what you are doing right now. Keep your mind in the present moment. Be aware of your body movements or sensations whilst you're walking, cleaning or eating. Power of now is so important. Vacation. Give yourself a brief vacation. Get outside, take a short walk, get your favourite coffee drink, read a magazine or a newspaper, surf the web, take a 1 hour breather from hard work that must be done. Unplug all electronic devices. Encouragement. Cheerlead yourself. Repeat over and over. I can stand it. It won't last forever. I can make it out of this. I'm doing the best I can. Here is the pros and cons page. Pros, cons. Acting on the crisis urges, resisting crisis urges. So you write the pros of acting on the impulsive urges, so it will take you out of emotional mind. So there might only be one pro of acting on the unhealthy coping mechanism and the emotional mind, but there'll be a shit ton more pros of not acting on it. Stops the habit and starts new healthy ones. And write down the cons of the impulsive urges, for example, self-harm. So the cons might be it upsets your family and friends. And another example here is, so your crisis urge might be to procrastinate. So this is an acronym called the TIP skills, and this is for managing extreme emotions. So when your emotional arousal is very high, you are completely caught in emotional mind, your brain is not processing information, you are emotionally overwhelmed, you can change your body chemistry by reducing emotional mind quickly by, for example, changing your temperature. So tip the temperature of your face with cold water to calm down fast. Holding your breath, put your face in a bowl of cold water. Just like splash your face with cold water. It's just a grounding thing and it actually does really help. Or do some intense exercise. Don't overdo it because I know exercise addiction is real and it's very harmful for your body, so please don't overdo it. But with exercise, it can calm your body down when it's revved up with so much emotion. Or you can do some paced breathing by slowing down your pace of breathing. Or you can do that thing where you tense and relax each muscle group. So I think my favourite thing about the distress tolerance module is the at-home create your crisis survival kit. So what you do, you get a shoebox, you can decorate it, make it look real pretty, put things in there that you know relax you. So they've given us examples: scented lotion or aftershave, picture of your favourite vacation spot, a favourite magazine, a crossword book, herbal tea bags, a piece of your favourite candy, a relaxation CD or DVD. The list of things I put on my box was moisturiser, a notebook and pen, CDs, a novel, essential oils, rescue remedy, pastels and sweets, fake nails, headphones, and an arrangement of teas. You can either have it for home or you could even bring it to school, make a little mini one for school or work. You could maybe do a pencil case one for school. Accepting reality, the choices we can make. 5 optional ways of responding when a serious problem comes into your life. Figure out how to solve the problem, change how you feel about the problem, accept it, stay miserable, or make things worse by acting on your impulse urges. When you can't solve the problem or change your emotions about the problem, try acceptance as a way to reduce your suffering. Why bother accepting reality? Rejecting reality does not change reality. Changing reality requires accepting reality. Rejecting reality turns into pain and suffering. Refusing to accept reality can keep you stuck in unhappiness, anger, shame, bitterness, sadness, and other painful emotions. Radical acceptance. Radical acceptance is the skill of accepting the things you can't change. Radical means the complete and total acceptance in mind, body and heart. Acceptance means seeing the reality for what it is, even if you don't like it. Acceptance can mean acknowledging, recognizing and enduring or not giving up. When you stop fighting reality, throwing tantrums about reality and let go of bitterness, it's the opposite of why me, and it is things are as they are. Life can be worth living even with painful events in it. This page is all about willfulness. Willfulness is refusing to tolerate a situation or giving up. Willfulness is trying to change a situation that cannot be changed or refusing to change something that must be changed. Willfulness is the opposite of doing what works. Willingness, however, willingness is allowing the world to be what it is and participating in it fully. Doing what is needed, no more, no less, it's being effective. Listening carefully to your wise mind and deciding what to do. When willfulness doesn't budge, ask, what's the threat? Ways to practice accepting reality. Acceptance of reality as it is sometimes requires an act of choice. Breathe mindfully into the moment to help develop a more accepting mindset. Accept reality with your face, half smile. Rehearse in your mind, think those things that you would do if you really did accept reality as it is. Practice willingness. Remember to turn the mind back into the accepting reality road. This little sheet is ideas for this one's self-soothing, so it's basically loads of ideas on ways to self-soothe. The other page is distracting techniques.
Please pause, please read.
So for example, like playing a video game, watching TV, going out and eating your favourite meal. Yeah, that was distress tolerance, so thank you for watching.